Guru Nation, what's going on? Welcome back live at the research clinic. So today's video, I'm with Jaime Valles, by the way. If you don't know, Latinos in clinical research legend and nurse practitioner, sub-investigator for not one but two sites now.
Right.
So this video is going to be about study startup, okay? And because people are asking a lot of stuff. So Jaime just signed his financial disclosure form. He is a sub-investigator. So we just got a new study. We got the contract and the budget. So our guy Chris is working on that.
That's right. He's good at it.
He's really good at it. We're excited about this study because we feel like, unlike the other study we have, we can actually enroll some people, like a good amount of people.
Yeah.
So the I got an email from the sponsor. It says, this initial contacts provide you with the study documents to begin the process for the study startup and IRB approval. Our information indicates your site will use Central IRB. So then they give you the link where you should submit your site initial application to the IRB. And we have Samantha doing that today because yesterday I had a Zoom with her and I taught her how to do it for another study.
Nice.
We did it for that other study we have.
Okay.
Now we're getting studies like every week now.
Now
we need
the
people to help working, but that's a different video.
That's right.
So Samantha is doing the IRB application online. They give you instructions and they give you the link. I got my site number. We didn't have a site number. I had to call the study startup person at the CRO because I can't fill out these forms without a site number.
Okay.
And she was able to get it.
Okay, awesome.
So we have it. So in the packet, it's a protocol, the latest version. It's a protocol signature page, which I'm waiting for my PI to sign. It's an investigator brochure. It's an investigator brochure acknowledgement page, which I'm waiting for my PI to sign. It's a 1572 form, which I filled out, waiting for my PI to sign. Pre-populated financial disclosure forms, which I filled out. Jaime signed his. And because he's a sub-I, he's the only sub-I for this study on box 6. We're going to try to get away with just you and our PI for this study because it's simple enough. The PA here didn't want to be on it, and then the dermatologist, he probably will be added later just to build up his experience too.
Okay.
But it's not so important. And then afterwards they want they want this done within 48 to 72 hours by the site. So these are the deliverables for the site. This is when you're a site and you get a new study. This is what you have to do within 48 to 72 hours. Contracts being taken care of right now. Please return copies of the following documents for the PI and all sub-Is listed in Section 6. So CVs signed and dated and medical licenses. Again, our employee Samantha has this already, so she's going to send to them.
Dan, one quick question. I have a question, and
we love questions.
And usually they say if somebody has a question, most likely somebody else will have it. It's 48 to 72 business hours or hours. Like if they send it to you on Friday, you have till Sunday to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now, they're not going to enforce that. They want our site. We have a lot for this indication. We have a lot of patients we can enroll. Yeah. So it's not like they're going to penalize us or anything or take away the study. But I want to get it done because Monday I don't want to come here.
No. And the sooner the better. Because the process takes time.
Yes.
I mean, you get this information, but from that point till the point that you can actually get the patients enrolled, it's gonna take some time. So the less time we can waste in a way or let pass, it'll be the better.
And that study startup. So once that's done, then we'll wait to get activated, and then we from the IRB, and then we wait to do our site initiation visit.
Correct.
I don't know if they'll do it in person or remotely, and then they'll send us all the kits.
That's right.
This study has some apps, some e-diaries for the patients, some handheld, some paper surveys. And that's it. That's study startup. Wanted to keep the video short and sweet. Thank you, Jaime, for the question.
Have a good one.
Thank you, guys. Go do the study startup. And when you start getting a lot of studies, it becomes a full-time job. And it's a lot of work for a coordinator if they're the only one and they have patient visits and queries and new studies and all this other stuff. Like, it's a full-time job for a coordinator. Right. Good luck, Guru Nation. We will need to hire people next. Video forthcoming. Take care.